Hello, welcome to ESOL Grammar Resources. I'm Chris. Remember to press pause when you need to, and if I'm talking too quickly, you can slow the video down in settings. Let's get started. Today, we'll be talking about jobs and work. Teacher, teacher, teacher. Student, student, student. Firefighter, firefighter, firefighter. Police officer, police officer, police officer. Doctor, doctor, doctor. Chef, chef, chef. Mechanic, mechanic, mechanic. Lawyer, lawyer, lawyer. Construction worker, construction worker, construction worker. Office worker, office worker, office worker. Okay, time for a quiz. Student, student. Office worker, office worker. Chef, chef. Doctor, doctor. How did you do? Okay, that's all for today. Well done, everyone, and see you next time.